At Premiere Couture, we love prom because we're about exquisite dresses, but we're really about women expressing themselves through dresses, and prom is the first time that they really get a chance to do that. Girls are young and they are confident, and this is a great time to just let them be them. We keep track of each dress and where it's sold so that we can hopefully hope that you are the only one there in it and feeling really special. A big trend for us right now, which is the two-piece dress. There are a lot of great two-piece dresses out there, but this year we're seeing more of the off-the-shoulder. If you want to be the belle of the ball and really make a grand entrance, a ball gown is just the way to do it. The only thing you'll love more than your Premiere Couture dress is your story about finding it.